Here are some inspiring design examples of auto layout in Figma. 1. Lists. Auto layout can be used to create dynamic lists that adjust in size based on the content. 2. Gallery. With auto layout, you can also create dynamic galleries such as photo galleries or product showcases. 3. Navigation menu. Auto layout can be used to create a responsive navigation menu that adjusts in size based on the screen size. 4. Tables. With auto layout, you can create dynamic tables that adjust in size based on the content. 5. Cards. One of the best cases in using auto layout feature is to create dynamic cards that adjust in size based on the content and also on the screen size. 6. Input feeds. With auto layout, you can create dynamic input feeds that adjust in size based on the content. 7. Filters. Auto layout can be used to create dynamic filter menus that adjust in size based on the number of filter options. Overall, Figma auto layout can be used to create a wide range of UI patterns that are responsive, visually appealing, and easy to navigate. Alright, that was everything about today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.